Hi, this is Larry, and welcome to another day in the Ozarks. Today, the historic Bagnell Dam Strip has been taken over by some of the fastest boats in the country. This is the street party on the Strip, the kickoff to the 38th annual Lake of the Ozarks Shootout. We're going to see some of these incredible boats up close and find out what makes the Shootout Week such a huge event here at the lake.
We're going to walk the Strip. I'm going to show you the boats. I'm going to show you the street party. Stick around to the end. I'm going to show you my personal favorites.
The racing hasn't even started yet, but the excitement of the 38th annual Lake of the Ozarks Shootout is already here. Tonight gave fans a rare opportunity to meet the teams and see these incredible machines up close before they take to the water this weekend. Let me know in the comments which boat you would choose. And subscribe to Another Day in the Ozarks for more people, places, and events that make the lake such a special place. This is Larry from Another Day in the Ozarks. We'll see you around the lake.